Hello everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here. Just want to show you some Hebes because these are one of the most popular garden plants in the UK. A universally popular plant, often found in sort of front gardens, even back gardens. They're low maintenance, perfect for really almost any situation. They actually originate in New Zealand in sort of cliffs and windswept areas. So they're really quite tough and hardy. They're an evergreen. This is a larger leaf type that's got all these beautiful flowers in from midsummer onwards, right into the autumn. They keep going until the frosts. And then you've got an evergreen bush. Give them a little trim over in spring, and then they're back again with all this flower again come midsummer. So they're really good, easy to keep plant, easy to grow in the garden. Just any good garden soil, you keep them well watered whilst they're establishing, but then you've got this plant for many, many years. Now this particular one is called Donna, Britta improved. It's a really nice, compact growing, bushy one with large leaves, all this beautiful flower power on it. I'm at the show here where there's hundreds of different examples from different suppliers of ours to pick out the best value for our customers, and I'm selecting this today as one of those plants. We've got a huge volume here. This is a 10-litre pot, really substantial sized plant, and the value for money on this particular one is excellent. There's ones half the size here at almost twice the price, but I'm selecting this for our customers today as the best value in the market right now. So you'll find these for sale on the website soon. Thanks very much. See you next time.